What is going on, guys? I'm slightly disappointed with my parts truck here. There's just nothing I can really get off of it other than that fender and the hitch. I'm gonna get the hitch, but no, I just got tired of this thing, looking at it being banged up, so I decided to go ahead today and rip that fender off. And to be honest with you, it was actually kind of a pain in the ass, because where it was hit up in here, a bunch of the bolts were like twisted sideways and you couldn't get to them, so I had to like use some tin snips here and get creative, but it's off. So no real major damage to the truck itself. There's a bracket down there that was all twisted up. I kind of straightened it out. That's gonna be good enough for me. I ain't worried about that. And before I start, because the assembly that holds the headlights is broke, and I got it, it's over there, but before I tear into that nonsense, I want to make sure I got the new grill and everything ready to go. So for now, we're going to just slip that fender back in there real quick. I guess maybe I should do that now. I'm running out of daylight. Alright, be right back. Alright guys, we're making some headway, and trust me, I'm far from done. There's more damage up front than what I thought, but you know, this is just my old work truck, man. So, you know, I'm not going to make it perfect. But as you can see, I got a pinstripe that I'm going to have to remove. And the one on the bottom I'll add. I think the body shop sell like this rubber block that goes on a drill. It's like an eraser, and it should pop that right off. I got my lines pretty straight here. And I got to be honest with you, that was a bitch. Because what I didn't realize is where this was hit. And you can look closely right here. Go up and down. So this is actually pushed in a little bit. So I had to do some work just to get it to fit like that. And I mean, this ain't no 57 Chevy or freaking classic Ford Mustang. It's an old Mercury Mountaineer. That's good enough. But what I'll do on another day, I'll go ahead and go grab another grill, headlight. This down here, like my assembly's all busted up. If it's too much of a pain in the ass to change, I may just finagle it and make it work. Because it is a bitch. My God. I'll take repairing cars over bodywork any day. Bodywork after a wreck, pain in the ass. And all I'm doing is replace the fender. That's a pain. But here we go. It's looking pretty good. The old Mercury's doing good. Got my son over here, and there's Carmine. And where's Rizzo? Hey, there's Rizzo. As you can see, I still got the dogs. So, not bad. As you can see, I even washed it up and cleaned it. Armor all the tires. Not bad for $700. You guys have a good one. Hopefully I'll have everything back to normal and have a lot more videos coming on. I kind of miss hanging out with y'all in the comments, but you know, my life's just been turned upside down since that divorce. But that's a whole nother story. You know, I'll be all right. Have a good one, guys.